What is up, everybody? Crustless Crypto here, back in a video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. I'll be giving away $100 worth of EGLD, so please support the channel. I do have a website, crustlesscrypto.com. It's your one-stop shop for all things crypto. Make sure you guys check it out, and please follow me on Twitter. Get these numbers up. So today, guys, I'm going to be specifically focusing on NFTs, and a lot of them are NFTs built on the Elrond network or going to be built on the Elrond network. We're going to take a look from Elrond Warriors. They state NFTs are really gaining momentum on the Elrond network with some projects already minting on the mainnet. So we found this very useful guide for any EGLD warriors that are interested. And which is your favorite NFT project at the moment? So make sure you guys are checking Elrond Warriors, following them. They do provide a lot of good content. They have a video here that they provided custom NFT minting with Elrond blockchain. So if anybody else is interested in creating NFTs, make sure you go and check this video. Starting off with Gnogen. Some of these NFTs are going to be released exclusively on the Elrond blockchain. So as you can see here, Elrond network, right, is going to capture a nice little chunk of the NFT marketplace. And they're going to be kind of marking their territory with exclusive NFTs, guys. NFTs that are not going to be minted anywhere else. Now, no other blockchain, right? So if we take a look at Gnogen here, this is their official Twitter for Gnogen NFTs, movies, games, and collectibles. So they have about 5,500 followers, and they do have a website, but it is currently not operational. They do have this nice cover page calling all heroes, and Gnogenverse is coming, but other than that, you can't really do anything on the website. So things are a work in progress. NFTs are still new to the space, guys, and a lot of different businesses, communities, people, project developers are all kind of still in the works and beginning to develop NFTs for various blockchains, not just Elrond. So it's a new space that we're heading into, and we're going to be talking about the multiverse as well in a minute here. So just taking a look at some of their tweets, right? Gnogen did have an interview with Jan and Nick over at Bitcoin Live. So they do have a video. Make sure you guys are checking them out. They did do an interview. So if you actually want to see these people in the flesh, see kind of what they have to offer, the blockchain space, especially the Elrond network, make sure you guys check them out on Crypto and ND. I have not watched the video myself. I am going to, and I probably will talk about it in another video. But it's important to understand that they do have a Discord, and you're able to start immediately communicating with them and getting into, you know, kind of their announcements as soon as they come out. So next up, we have the PlataNetwork, ESDT on the Elrond network, and they're going to be NFTizing your blockchain experience. So not only are they going to have a token, they're going to be building NFTs as well on the Elrond blockchain. So it's pretty amazing. If we take a look here, Aura NFT from the driver collection, there will be 10 editions available on the Mara marketplace. Price going to be 59 EGLDs a pop. So you can win one Aura NFT if you follow the Plata network and then you retweet and tag 3 friends. So they do have an announcement 6 hours ago. The winner will be announced this evening. They didn't give a specific time, and I don't know what time it is in their area, but just assume that it'll probably get released in the next 6 to 12 hours. So make sure you guys do so if you guys want to have a chance at winning this NFT. From what I see, they are kind of trying to focus on racing NFTs, and as they obviously call it, the NFT driver collection. I'm sure that they're going to have more, you know, collections in the future, but as you can see here with this video on the car, that's kind of what they're focusing on right now. So if we take a look at their website, which they do have, the blockchain is yours, right? And the Plata is an Elrond standard digital token built on the Elrond blockchain, a high-performance public blockchain, which is extremely secure, efficient, scalable, and interoperable. So what's the most important thing to see here is they're powered by the revolutionary technology brought to the world by the Romanian team, and Plata is as fast, secure, and scalable as an EGLD native coin itself. So from what we kind of focusing on here, in this video, non-fungible tokens, right? If we go into the NFTs, they will also publish NFTs exclusively on the Elrond blockchain. We're also having collaborations with different artists, which will be revealed on the Mara marketplace. If you're an artist who wants to get exposure to our community and you don't know a lot about crypto or how to publish your work as an NFT, please reach out to us and we'll make your blockchain journey smooth. So guys, a lot of people are not understanding NFTs, right? And commonly referred to as non-fungible tokens, as the website says here, it's a new way of capturing art and being able to buy and sell it as a collection, guys. It's going to be transitioning into a new society where everything's based on the internet. Everything's kind of in this, higher echelon, what they are calling the multiverse. I know Facebook is working on something like that called the metaverse, and there's just a lot of different things going virtual. I don't foresee it going to like a Sword Art Online for those who are anime watchers, getting plugged into this world. But technically, you will be, and it's going to be a different, way of life. Looking at it in the next decade or two. So it's pretty crazy to see. So continuing on with more NFTs here, we have the Panda Party NFT, and they are an NFT collection of 2,000 beautiful panda artwork that will be also launching on the Elrond network. 25% of the proceeds will be donated to help pandas. So any panda lovers out there, any panda fans, this will probably be your NFT for you. They're going to be giving away 25% of their earnings to donate to help pandas. Now, I'm not an animal expert, but I know for a fact that pandas are a declining species. They're going extinct. And I know there's a lot of different teams and projects out there that are trying to preserve pandas and their way of life and their environment, but it's cool to see that a blockchain is also supporting that cause, supporting that movement. So as you can see here, as a thank you to the amazing Elrond and NFT communities, they will be doing a giveaway as well. And this special giveaway, they feature a limited edition laser eye panda. And if you want to win this NFT, it's kind of the same thing. Follow them, retweet this post, and tag 3 friends. They do not have a website, but they do have a Discord. And as you can see here, they only have about 228 followers. So again, joined October of this year. So there's a lot of different new projects that are just starting out. So guys, think long term. Think of the next 1 to 2 years. A lot of these profiles or NFT projects may blow up. Some may not, but it all depends on how they each perform, right? Even though they do not have a website, make sure you guys are checking out their Discord server. It is live, as you guys could see from up here on this link. And then you guys can also stay into contact with the most, latest announcements and updates as they come out. So next NFT that we're going to be looking at here is called the Super Rare Bears. Now, they are an NFT project with 10,000 unique characters, which have various degrees of rarity. Our bear market is always bullish. I like that. So, as you can see here, how to relate this kind of to the Elrond network as well. They're stating to celebrate this momentous occasion of us finding the blockchain that suits all our needs, the Elrond network. We have designed a special Elrond super rare bear with all the EGLD bling, and this will be one of 137 ultra rare bears minted on the network. Again, these bears are always bullish. Look at that thing. It's got a crown. It's got a gold medallion, Elrond medallion, and a little lightning bolt scepter. So staff scepter. So I mean, if you guys want to capture this super rare bear and own a little piece of it, right? Own one of them. They are going to be giving these out. So think about it, guys. A lot of NFTs are going to the Elrond network. They see the potential. And just how solid the ecosystem, how robust that blockchain, the Elrond blockchain is. I mean, as you can see here, the Elrond community has absolutely smashed the poll. We couldn't be happier to bring our project to the Elrond network, and we even pre-made a Mara wallet in anticipation of the competition winners in EGLD. This is their hero tag, Super Rare Bears. So, again, people blew all the other different blockchains out of the water, from Solana, Binance, Ethereum. They chose Elrond, and this is out of 2,200 votes. So that's crazy, crazy polls, guys. So they're going to be minting on the Elrond network, and that's amazing. And it just shows, again, guys, think long term. A lot of these projects are beginning. I mean, this, again, joined October of 2021. A lot of different NFTs are going to be coming out, and I'm excited to see what is happening with each and every one of them. So lastly, guys, we have Elrond Memer. They are an NFT artist. So what they did is pretty interesting here. They created a Lucian Mincu sketch NFT, and they are auctioning it, and it's minted on the Elrond blockchain. So, as you can see here, they have an NFT of the Lucian Mincu, which I find to be hilarious. Highest bidder will also get the original piece of artwork, so they'll actually mail their actual sketch to you. I'm assuming, and you can actually own the physical copy of a sketch of Lucian Mincu. So I find this extremely creative, something that no one's actually done. I'm sure someone will create one of Benjamin Mincu in the future. I can foresee that happening, but they're starting the floor price, or they did start the floor price at half a EGLD about a couple of days ago, ending on the 28th. And then the current bid right now, as of 46 minutes ago, on the 27th of October, is 1.3 EGLD. So it's managed to bid up over an EGLD. Pretty cool stuff, guys. And let's take a closer look at this sketch here. I mean, pretty good sketch for for an artist. This is actually really solid. You have the Maiar with a nice shading and shadows, and then you have the Elrond, kind of symbol ticker. They showed the beginning to end of his or her work, so pretty impressive. I could never sketch this good or even write. I hate writing, but this is cool. If you guys are interested in owning Lucian Mincu's face, then please check this out. So let me know what you guys think of all these NFT projects coming to the Elrond network, guys. Do you see potential for massive profits once these NFTs are actually able to be bought and sold on the Elrond network, and actually be able to interact with them in terms of ecosystems and actually seeing it live once the Elrond pumps out their Maiar exchange and then their NFT, kind of their NFT section. So let me know in the comment section down below. Please like this video. Hope everyone is having a wonderful day or night, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good one.